Good morning, guys. It's been a rough night. So I'm trying to clean up my house because my husband been home. He just finally found his day job. He found a day job, and of course he had a night job, but we were a bit off schedule. I was a bit off schedule, meaning that, you know, if he was going somewhere, I would be going with him, and we just like to be together. It's just a downfall for us. But anyways, I'm trying to get the house back on track. I'm trashing things. I need to get rid of some. It feels like this house is filled with so much stuff, and I just want to get rid of things. Like, I just want to get rid of things. Like, why is that basket there? Why is that box right there? Like, I don't understand. And also I have to get my workout in, so I have on my sports bra, and I have to go for a walk later. I have to do my hair. I just took my bonnet off. My the front of my hair all gone. All gone, guys. Like, remember how I was like so happy when the front of my hair finally caught up? No, it's gone. But I'm taking the. Of course, Maddie has to start crying as soon as I pick up the camera. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Madison. What's the matter? What's the matter, sweet girl? What do you want? What do you want? We have to do your affirmation today. Madison. 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 Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Maddie, I am beautiful. I am. No? No, Madison. Madison. I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Maddie. What's up? What's that love for? It's almost time for her big nap, guys. So I'm gonna ooh, I gained so many. I gained so many. I gained so much. It's so many. I gained so many weight. No, I gained so much weight. Why do I struggle with English so bad? Yeah, like I said, yeah, I'm starting. I was gonna do the 21-day water fast and start off from there. You know, get rid of my bad eating habit and all of that. I don't know about that. I see my son's bus sitting over there. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys his bus. You see that yellow bus sitting right there? That's Jackson's bus. That's my son's bus sitting right there waiting for him. Okay, so far all I've done is cleaned off up here. This is all I've done all day. Like, I got rid of a lot of stuff that was up there and wiped down all the stuff right there. My next task is this area, which is Maddie. Yep, I gotta clean all of that. And then this thing. And then this area right here. So on and so forth. But you know, Maddie's crying, so I gotta go. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ready? Alright. You wanna push your sister or you want me to do it? Hurry, we gotta go. I'm gonna go take this trash out and put this boy in the bus. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Go. This bus is right there. Go, Papa. Look where you're going. There go your bus. You see, your bus is moving. Don't get frustrated. Go, go, go. 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 I'll meet you around, okay? Go, buddy. Love you. Alright, go pick up the trash. Trash can. Tired. I'm gonna go edit a video and finish cleaning up. Maddie's sleeping. Yay! So I'm gonna finish editing my video for today. Now I'm gonna upload the video for today. It's supposed to go up at 1. It's a little after 12, so I'm gonna do that. And then finish cleaning up. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Whose pants is that?
Jackson's.
Why is it on the floor?
Jaxson! Your pants on the floor. Join. Back to the chore.
But why is there still clothes on the car, on the chair?
Jackson's. No.
Yes? Alright, honey. You know what time of day it is, folks?
Friday.
No, it's not Friday.
It is.
It's dinner time. Jaxson and Jordan.
Yeah, we were supposed to do that.
Thank you.
I told John, ready to do chores.
I'm about to make some curry. You guys are here. I keep looking up here. You guys are here.
Didn't find Jaxson. Water. Jaxson.
Water? I didn't buy any water.
Why?
Because the way how my car situation is set up right now, I didn't buy any water. Get that pot out of there, my rice pot, and wash that out, please. Please put the stuff in the trash. I need my rice cooker. Thank you. Boys are getting ready to do their chores. And the cat. What are you doing over there? My cat is living underneath the Christmas tree, which I'm going to take down, Mia. I promise, Mia, I will take my Christmas tree down by the end of February. So I got a couple more days to go to enjoy my tree. So Miss Maddie haven't slept all day. Haven't slept. Like she will shut her eye like this and then wake up. Like Daddy's not sleeping. So she's there. I'm pretty sure there's a meltdown coming. There's a meltdown coming. I know you hear me. I know you hear me. There's a meltdown coming. Let me let you guys zoom in on that little face. Maddie, is there a meltdown coming? She's watching TV, guys. Oh, I knew there was a child right there. I knew it. I knew it.
But I'm bleeding.
Jordan, you're bleeding? Where? Where? Ew! He got a nosebleed. Okay, I'm gonna go take care of his nosebleed. I'll be back. Good morning, guys. So today is what day is it today, honey? What day is it? Thursday? Thursday. So we are going to drop off his uniforms for his job that he no longer has. And they're trying to charge him $50 for pants. Is it? $30 per pants. And we're not having that. I am not paying $30, $50, $30 per pants and $20 per shirt. He's missing 10 of each. No, he's missing 10. He was given 20. He turned in. He's missing 7 pants. Who cares? Here's Maddie. Let's do her affirmation. Hi! Hi! Are you ready for your affirmation? Yes? Say, Mommy, you should have done this when I was happy. I don't have time for this right now. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I don't have time for this right now. Maddie, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. I know. Okay, are you ready? Let's go, okay? Yes, let's go. We're gonna go right now. Okay, so another day that I'm on the road. I have things to do.
Don't blame it on me.
I'm blaming it on you. It's your fault. But I'll catch you guys later.